What's up, Wolves? I have a short video for you today on how to make a sock ball. Okay? We are going to be doing a bunch of throwing games that may take place indoors, so I want you to have something that is safe and will not cause much harm or damage in your household or wherever you are doing these activities. Okay? First thing you need is a pair of socks. We are going to want at least 3 different sock balls. Okay? So you're going to repeat these steps 3 different times. I would ask my parents or guardians if they have any older socks that they no longer use, because adult-sized socks work best. These are mid-calf or medium-size style socks, so these will have a lot more slack to work with, okay? So, the first thing you are going to do is take one of the socks and roll it up into a ball. Okay? So squish that down. You are then going to take that sock, push it all the way down into the bottom of your other sock. Okay? Now keep your hand in there, just above where that ball at the bottom for the base is. Stretch the sock out on your wrist. You are then going to spread your fingers and twist the base of the ball as much as you can. Once you can no longer twist, I want you to take your fingers and spread them out over the ball, okay? Grip onto the base, take the top of the sock above your wrist and pull it down over the ball. And then you are just going to continue to repeat those steps. Slide your hand in, just above the ball, spread your fingers, twist, stretch the sock over the base, and then pull off your wrist. Now I have more slack, so I'm going to keep going and do it again. Once you get to the top, you're going to want to make sure you get it nice and tight, a nice tight twist. Okay? And then I'm going to spread it over the top again. You may need to adjust a little bit, okay, so that there isn't too much left hanging over. All right? So, once you have that, squeeze it into the best shape you can. All right? These will not be perfect. All right? This is just something to use at home. Okay? So, you're going to do that a couple more times. I want you to have at least 3 sock balls for these activities. Feel free to rewind and watch it again step by step. Okay? I hope you enjoy and get ready to have some fun.